Who's going to build the open source cursor alternative that lets you hit local models instead of OpenAI or Anthropic models? Just imagine you have your IDE running locally, of course, and you have something like NVIDIA's Project Digits sitting on the left of your desktop, and it's running the latest and greatest 200 billion parameter model, or maybe you have two Project Digits and it's running like a 400 billion parameter model that's super good at coding, and you can just hit that thing with your IDE and code with a locally run model. My understanding of Cursor's current architecture is that when you're using things like chat or Composer in particular, when you submit the prompt, it sends it over to Cursor servers, which it then kind of compiles everything, adds its own system prompt into the mix, adds additional code context on your behalf, and then it sends that over to whatever API you're hitting, OpenAI or Anthropic, and then that comes back to Cursor servers and then finally back to your machine locally. I've also read that they might store snippets of your code in the cloud on your behalf to help with providing code context. I'm not 100% sure on that, but I was reading that somewhere. So you could imagine kind of a fully locally run version of this experience where your prompt history and your code history is all stored locally. And when you use something like a Composer feature in your IDE, again, it hits a locally run model on NVIDIA's Project Digits or something like that. I think it'd be super cool. There's probably some technical constraints I'm not thinking about. Let me know in the comments why this isn't possible. Why is this not possible? Or maybe we just have to wait for Project Digits to come out for it to be really valuable, because running large enough models is a little bit difficult right now. But I don't know. I think this would be sick. Who's going to build it?